Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
Picture this. You walk into a high-end store. Everything is meticulously arranged to create a luxurious atmosphere. Now, imagine that same experience translated to the digital world. That's the power of a well-designed e-commerce website. Just like a physical store, an e-commerce website design can make or break a customer's shopping experience. A poorly designed website can leave users feeling confused and frustrated. Meanwhile, a thoughtful design can make customers feel like they've stumbled upon a hidden gem. At its core, e-commerce website design is about creating an experience that connects customers with the products they want. It's about presenting those products in a way that's visually appealing and easy to navigate. And, just like a physical store, a great e-commerce site will leave a lasting impression on customers long after they've made their purchase.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.